Need a quick way to calculate the number of days between two dates? Bet, I got you covered. The network days function will exclude the weekends in the count. And you also need to exclude holidays. This function does that too. Let's check it out. This function has three easy parts: a start date, an end date, and holidays. Every formula in Excel begins with an equal sign. The name of the function that we're using is network days. Now all we need to do is select our start date, our end date, and if we are including holidays, we select our range of cells to include the holidays. To quickly select my range of cells, I'm just going to press Ctrl, Shift, and down to select my range of cells. Now I just close my parentheses. I like to make sure that I can use my fill handle later on, so I'm going to make this cell an absolute cell reference. I'm just going to select this range of cells because I want it to always refer to this location, and to make it absolute I need to put a $sign in front of the column letter and a $sign in front of the row number. Pro tip, just press F4 on your keyboard. And that's it. So now when I press enter, boom, 41 days, work days. Now how do I know that this is accurate and this is working? Well, let's check it out. If I pull over my calendar here for 2022, so let's count our days. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, and 4 is 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. And it's that easy. Let's check another example. So how about we try the 1st of March to the 31st of May. If I use my fill handle and I go down, I'm seeing that we have 61 days. Let's check it out. So here we can see that we have a holiday on the 30th of March. We have another holiday on the 15th and 18th of April. And we have 2 more in May on the 3rd and the 30th. So that's a total of 5 holidays that we need to exclude. So let's check to see if our count got it right. Remember, we started off on the 1st of March. So we have 5, 10, 15, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 27, 28, 32, 36, 41, 42, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61. And that's it. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about productivity tips in Excel, check out the links below. Don't forget to subscribe to get updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.